Totegerera nake. Toina buna mbwango. Okoba yembura. Embura tianje tseita. Basi nta totegerera ne toina bwango iga toro kyo mugeni amasikani gusabona. Abana bari mbabwa togotero gitokomo nataka batera bwango mbaga totera bwango. Aya. Dai numotegerere nariye sauti yabera ige gwekani gusabona. Aya, mbaye dikono.
Ero, oh mano minto, ero. Twanya nyirembori, oh mano minto, ninchutoragere. Shikosko. Twanya nyirembori, oh mano minto, ninchutoragere. Oisakawa mo baniga tembe, oya oisakawa. Oisakawa mo baniga tembe. Oya oisakawa. Oisakawa mo baniga tembe. Oya oisakawa. Oya oisakawa. Kabanega tembe mo banisakawa. Oya kabanega tembe mo banisakawa. Oya kabanega tembe. Iya aya sakawa, iya aya sakawa.
Thank you. Asante sana.
Eno mubani.
Asante sana wanafunzi.
Sakawa, eno mubani sakawa.
Asante ni watoto wazuri.
Tena buna morigo. Sikurakira, tena buna morigo, tena saa buna morigo igo. Amwatera. Ebese nira abo mheshimiwa ba. Aya, tiga programu yenda genda. Anyaloro nchuko changa buna tawakora. Omwarimu, bona nta tubuka te programu immediately staff na nini to gora no mheshimiwa na bana.
Yeah, thank you very much. Now, allow me to say, Your Excellency, karibu to enter and community. Naomba nichukue fursa hii kwanza kuwajulisha walimu wa shule yetu. Munaweza kuja karibu. The teachers of Enter and Secondary School who are present. We are on with the end year exam. That is why a number of teachers are not here. And the other students are on with exams. The few who are here, allow me to introduce them. Coming from the other end is Hirali Anyanga, anafundisha chemistry and mathematics. Madam Lillian anafundisha business studies and geography. Yes, anafundisha business studies and geography. And then we have our senior teacher, Mr. Nicholas Aondo, who teaches Kiswahili. Mr. Nicholas Aondo teaches Kiswahili and geography. Then here, Madam, I have the deputy principal of the school, Mr. Jacob Angwenye. He teaches history and geography. With us also we have students. We have around 645 students. They are all here, but some of them, as I said, are behind because they are doing exams. With me here, maybe you can sit. With me here is the chairman POM, Mr. Samuel Ogeto Ariga. Maybe you can allow me give him a chance to say hi on behalf of the Board of Management and also the PA. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mwalimu. Your Excellency, we really feel honored to host you in our community as entire community. On behalf of the POM, Board of Management, I say thank you so much for having all time to come and pay us a courtesy call. And let me take this opportunity again to thank the MCA and all those who are involved in this program. We thank you very much for what you have done. Ntanda is an upcoming secondary school. As the principal said, our population is not small. There are so many needs. But what has brought us here today, we say thank you so much. We appreciate for each and everything that you have done. And the entire management, people who are involved in making this function a success. So thank you so much. You feel welcome, and when you go back, we say that we are very grateful. Thank you so much, Bwana Mwalimu, Her Excellency, and the MCA, and the people who accompanied Her Excellency from the county office. We say thank you so much. Asante sana.
Yeah, thank you so much. At this point, allow me introduce the head teacher in Ntanda Boarding Primary.
Thank you, sir. I also take this chance to welcome you, Mama County, to Ntanda fraternity. We are very proud of you, Mama, and we know you have come as a mother. And because of that, my girls, can you appreciate our lady, first lady? Farapanda, Señorita. Thank you and welcome.
I don't know whether there is Ntanda Primary, the head teacher. Thank you, Karibu, madam.
Thank you for the chance. Good evening, everybody. Okay, good. We are happy this afternoon to have our visitor here, Your Excellency, Mama Mary Simbarati. Welcome to our place, to Ntanda community. As we are here, we are 3 institutions, that is Ntanda Secondary, our boarding school, and the Ntanda Mixed School. I'm asking my staff to come here so that I introduce them. In our primary, we are 16 in number. Please come. We are 16 in number. Without wasting time, I'm just going to say the salute so that we can carry on with the program. Just sisters, can you salute? Okay. Your Excellency, you have really done what the Abagusi can do. This is a very big, great thank what you are going to do as you have been doing from the beginning, especially catering for the school-going children and seeing their needs. So, welcome.
Yeah, thank you so much. Is there anybody that we have forgotten? Any other head teacher that we have forgotten? Asante. Sasa, Mheshimiwa, ningependa pia kushukuru sana kwa kututembelea. As you can see, our population is big. We need your support. there is a borehole that was sunk in our school, but it has not been finalized. We are requesting that you expedite the process so that we have enough water to benefit the students and the community. Asante sana. Naomba nipatie kipaza sauti kwa mheshimiwa. Asante.
Asante sana mwalimu. Your Excellency, the First Lady, the MCS who are here, both nominated and elected, teachers, students, and the community. Good afternoon. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Mko na furaha? Kama uko na furaha, hebu fanya hivi nione. Ndio mbona sana. Kwa wale ambao mnijui, kwa majina naitwa Mheshimiwa Peter Utachi. Ama ile jina lingine wanasema ni gani? Hiyo ndio jina lingine. So today we are very happy because the First Lady has come to our place, and actually this is the 5th time she's coming to our ward, and she has come with good things, something that has never happened in this ward. Mwanyako remtebi kwa ba korugese chikaunti chia chagete. Mwanyako rora. So the First Lady has remembered us through the support of the governor, and we are going to give the grade 6 awards. I mean geometrical sets, class 8, and also from force. But before I speak, I have my colleagues here and I would like to introduce them. I have members of the County Assembly, the elected ones. You can come here and then I introduce you. Elected members of the County Assembly. Richmond, you also elected. Kwa yumone king ya sense. Mwema ete. Nga yere. Eye nyenge. Eye. Ere limono. Eye. Sawa.
Your Excellency, my colleagues, the teachers of this complex, that is the boarding, primary day, and also secondary. Abana wambia mole? Mwaigule sauti ye king? Omanye tu monto ndeta ane nyororo. Nyororo gocha gotogole kingi. Kingi wose gotenenere kingdom. Sivyo? Igo mtu ambaye analeta king ambaye anasimamia kingdom. Huyu ni mtu mchache kweli? Mnampenda? Hapa mbele tuko na Excellency. Yeye ni First Lady ya county. Anafanana na nyinyi? Ako namna gani? Yule anamleta nafikiri ni mtu mchache. Pigia Nyororo makofi. Pigia Madam pia Excellency makofi. Upigie na King makofi.
Biamore. Habari zenu? Assalamu alaikum. Hebu nione candidates kwa mikono. Candidates wale ambao wanaenda kufanya mtihani mikono. Tusalimie waheshimiwa. Tumekuja na ujumbe. Na ujumbe ni kuwatakia kila laheri wakati ambapo mtafanya nini? Mtihani. The Form 4s nyote mtapita exam yenu. Sawa sawa? Class 8 nyote mtapita mitihani yenu. Class 6 nyote mtapita mitihani yenu. Mimi naitwa Naftali Onkoba, ni MCA kutoka kule Nyacheki Bobasi. Asanti.
Mkoe gumbole mbuya mole. Njenkoro kujem sondali. Kurubu machoge gali sabakoro kogembo. Mogo kirarende. Enate bankuru sabakoro ka ogembo, omo MCA bu ogembo. Nje sengenje embura egotwa egento kiandeta omo MC orio karokiru ogero no musani ono renge lakini enyororo igacheka musiba chinyororo ekanguse gatugutanse wona nande enyororo iye erese nero terete chibesa cha busongo omwarimu amagana ari kwa engori nga mache enyororo tigebe kichibesa cha sa mache oagajera bantama magana ya
aya totegerane aya mwaba buna abasongo okabe mburango twere nchengo rukurimo ko igwo kurukuru Richmond nero uyu nchendo omogeka ngo rumata ari boge tutu ya mate montegere mate ya magana abere abana aba mutago tege emigati ne menge nkori muri aya ntegere bono ngo tegere muri omwarimu ebo yuwa kwana yani vira kukwana gekere nkori ile budget eri chibesa nchibe kira 3 million chigo cha koruva ebo boro eri amacha toka tekikira osabona na inenta tenkwana rero gote no torentanda pro yone king bunete nina eto tenine mayaga ya serikali ya Simba Arati ndobwana ine ntobwate sababu ntoriko bwati nchoke yani ntoriko bwati chingi etoko bwati chincho otega gyoro cho no muswaje yare buye ga meseteiga akyo muga ko na abo mobe bari ba go te bango muga ko no mobe tiga bare rengere ribuya omoge tutu no mo muromo tangani wo mo gusi omo basi akabo mo muro kabere abana bari mo tegere buya ege ntonta te tokore ngwanja tore maega yomoga bano ito Simba Arati ntare to mo kyanga no ko igaba aka bari more garia pinto bilia to ho te twaereswa ero tigankwa nembo ge tutu tore ntutu abeire se serikali eria boni ge wiki egocha kuneri ende egocha moche more chiga sigo korekana na sigo tanganerwa mboge tutu gaiga pinto birito ko ereswa nindoje igai goma to biya seito ga imbranja anjete kaki nto gwanja to bwatere ne 20p to sikibo kusiye ito bosio ege ntongere ga bananje to kwana muntu tayora arugo sengo gemba aru na paradisa acha oyo acha go tonchore seita go tentu to ga to chenji abantu tuararo ndabagambi korusagi ni arenge paka boniga lakini bantabwo konye babwato bugambi mbanye go konya mu gusyo ito abantu mbari ngega abantu batigire ngega n'abantu abataka osebono kwanya oro montere arengere tienda yae tigatora bwati mugabano ori orengere ti abananchi kibese eki kibese aruse timu omubukoe ari okorre bintu byae lakini okoba bwata mabira tate ko kiriye kanyorre aragire n'abantu bae oamuire erine araretere no na abana aba abakire mbiyamono na nda abagwishiria amaya samatemba bago chigokora abumbo bakora mbarenga bagoteba ga igasimba netahaya mbarenga abana abando chembiya more. Your Excellency, these kids are very happy. Your Excellency, these kids are very happy. In fact, they are more than happy because they are saying next time Governor to come here and say hi to them. So when you will be talking to them, kindly remember to inform Your Excellency that they need to see, these kids need to see him. Osebo no moment na kwana. Okoba yechi sana ira kwana manga okoba na nje nenda yenjogo mbiya mono.
Takwana tu vyangu heshimiwa na range sukari ya maziko tirake na arego sikumurari kona arego chakongake nkudi na tiganga tigara rakore no monto miyare what admin nera tigeti moke salute what admin onere what admin ye what yito ya monyerero tigaba salute sakwa nerieta.
Habari yenu nyote? Asalamu alaykum wanafunzi.
Alaykum salam.
Abayiboli mbiyamole. Mwana mukakora first lady. Lakini na abayiboli. Anyway, nje will kiss tankoroko. Okay, ngor ku Wilkisto irere nchene kwa admin iga walimu acherete kibasari mwando chaba iboli na wanafunzi walimu achete. Tunataka kwa lega ofisi ya Mwana Nyororo. Nimewashukuru sana First Lady, karibu sana.
Asante. Si ameongea vizuri? Unajua ndio kwa ward admin lazima ukuwe umesoma. Sasa yeye ako na degree 2 lakini mimi niko na 3, nimemshinda na 1. Si ndio? Sasa niko na bibi yangu hapa, sijui ameenda wapi. Sijui kama mtu amemchukua. Bye. Oh, ndio huyo. Acha pia wasalimie.
Abantu bamintuna bakwaje imbia more nande. I wish all the best from first na class 8 plus class 6. Tunaendelea kuombea mtapite mtihani na Nyororo itamesa.
Ndio mwana. Asante. Sasa niko na maneno mawili ya kusema. Jambo la kwanza, ningependa kusema Your Excellency, last year this school called Intern Boarding did very well. It was actually the leading in the sub-county and also number 3 in the entire county. So it's a very good school. And the primary school, the day school, also performed very well. It was number 3 in the sub-county. So these are very good students. Pupils, they are doing a very good job. The secondary, they promised me they are going to get 10 A's. Secondary. Chia mori konyora ikomi. Amangana yechi into asiye kataiba. Mori tayari konyora chi. So they are not going to score E's, they are not going to score this. They are going to pass very well. They assured us, and we have a new principal who came in and is doing a fantastic job. So mumesema maneno ya maji. Hiyo maji ball iko pale, nimeweka 3 million vile mheshimiwa amesema, na tumechagua committee. Kuanzia next week watu wataanza kushughulikia maji, mpate maji hapa Intern. Alafu shule ya Intern primary tunaweka class ya ECD ambayo itakuwa na TV. Watoto watakuwa wanaona wakichoka kidogo, wale watoto wadogo ndio wapumzike kidogo. Kwa hivyo sina mengi ya kusema.
Oratika abana Enyororo ndai monte gerere Enyororo ta sibete chinyororo akangusogero pero tigaba gorire ngombe muri tayo aba gorire ngombe muri gosebono moro chine ro squeeze una mesete ya mbago sibia baragerie tigara achaka gutangasa gopangare paka muri ngombe rero.
Ndio maana sana. Takwari tu yemo moroyo. Ali county nchende chairman ye chibese. Ochibese yo stari nchembo ate. Ngochinde gokora. Gotigande ne chega toro kiana ya 20,000 asoko gore ngombe yo mheshimiwa ate. Bire eli ne muri tumwesi gokora mate. Ndio maana sana tiganya saba sen. Eka kwanza hiyo kidogo tu dance kidogo.
Simbane taye kumureka. Aye simbane mamba. Simbane taye kumureka. Yeah.
Asante sana. Hapa nimeona kuna watu wanajua kudance. Si ndio? Sasa mnikubalie. Halo? Naomba mnikubalie tukaribishe First Lady Kisii County kwa makofi, vigelegele.
Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Biamole? Biamole laende? Nko kwa kwambo kasimba. Minji omurugi o Simba Arati. Biamolo. I want to introduce the nominated MCAs who came with me.
Simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Ay simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, hey simba ne taye kumureka. Ay simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumureka. Yeah.
What are you surprised? The high school. What are you surprised of? Huh? They are only girls. By the way, they are only ladies. I'm only giving one person to speak because of time. Whom do you want here? This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. Okay, we are going to give Mheshimiwa Ege to speak.
Hamjamboni nyote. Leo tuna furaha kufika hapa shule ya Entanda. Kwa wale wanaoenda kufanya mtihani class 8, grade 6, form 4, tunawishia success. Na Mungu awabariki.
Are you satisfied? Yes. So, no. Now whom do you want? This one. You are only looking for the snake queens.
Kwa majina anaitwa Gitea Brenda.
Can you hear her?
Kwa majina anaitwa Gitea Brenda. Tumekuja hapa leo kwa wish you all the best in your exams as we spread the gospel of Simba. Mumubwate si asichukura na asama gendereraye. Asante.
Now you are good. No. Now is enough. I want to give you their names. This is Mheshimiwa Grace Ongwai. This is Mheshimiwa Nini and Sandora. Mheshimiwa Rabera. Mheshimiwa Isabella. You don't know this one? This is Mheshimiwa Brenda. Mheshimiwa Nyams. Helen. You know her. Mheshimiwa Ruth. Taimaris. Mheshimiwa Vanis. Mheshimiwa Mama Sanaya and Mheshimiwa Gaudensha. I don't want to waste so much time. Are you happy today? Yes. Why are you happy? Because of me? Yes. Now who has brought me here? Who has brought me here? Enyororo. So, Enyororo is the one who brought me here. Now who brought me to Kisii? Who? You must be very clever children. The person who brought me here is Governor Simba. He has sent me here to wish all candidates success in your exams. Now that I brought his wishes, are you going to perform well in your exams? Are you sure? How many of you are going to perform better? Those ones who are not showing up the hands of high schools, what is your problem? They are not candidates. Oh. Now, I want to promise you, if you do well and you all pass exams, I will ask Mheshimiwa Anyoro to bring you home so that you can see Governor Simba Arati. So, are you going to pass? Yes. We have a deal, right? Yes. Before I start giving you the goodies Governor has given me, let me collect for you the cow which some Mheshimiwa had promised. Mheshimiwa Richmond, don't pretend to be on phone. Bring the cow. We want the cow. You want a cow from where or from China? Yes. You want a China cow? Yes. You know we want a China cow. It's counting slowly. How much is a cow? How much? How much? How much? 50,000. 50,000. Bring the money. This person who promised a cow has given me 5,000. 5,000 cannot even buy a leg. Sindio? No. He must give us more. Let him go and search his wallet, search his M-Pesa, as I'm going back to him. Now I want to go to Mheshimiwa Anyoro. You see, he wanted to hide his money. How much is this? $16. Odera, give me 4,000. Send it to Omari right now. He has given me 16,000, but he's adding 4,000. But before he runs away, let me get the cash, so he sent me M-Pesa. So now I made it 20,000. You know, when visitors come, they must bring goodies, isn't it? I'm coming to Mheshimiwa Paradiso. You know, Mheshimiwa Paradiso is a non-serving MCA in Kisii County Assembly. Mheshimiwa Paradiso has given you another 10,000. So now I have 35,000. I've not gone. Do you know where is Simba Arati from? Which constituents? Where? Bobasi. Mheshimiwa Nafta is from Bobasi, Nyacheki. He has given us another 5,000. So now we have 40. Mheshimiwa Sensi Kim, 5,000. Well, now it's 45. How much? Mheshimiwa Vanis, 5,000. 50,000. So you said the cow is? Now you can change it to 100. 100. 1 million. Which cow is 1 million? Let me go back to Mheshimiwa Richmond, who promised you a cow. He has gone hiding. No, 5 minimum. Mheshimiwa Richmond, has added you another 2,000. But now the sister has said is adding for him another 3,000. So it's good to have a sister. Yes. I wish I also have one. You come from this place. Pastor, give us money. We don't care where you come from. She's saying this is home, so she must give more. So the 3,000 has been added. Now how much do I have now? 55,000. I always tell you, it's good to have friends, isn't it? I have 20,000 from the Deputy Speaker of Assembly, Bagaka. And I have 20,000 from Governor Simba Arati. So how much do we have now? 75,000. No. We have 95,000. But we want to make it to be 100. Let me now look for 5,000. Okay, send. How much? Mheshimiwa Ayoro has said instead of me looking for 5,000, he will send 5,000. So you clap for him. Send before I go. Now I have 100,000. Whom do I give this money to buy you a cow? How many schools are here? You have how many schools here? Can I have all your head teachers and the principal? Come forward. Now, wait. The more you cheer, the more I will give you the share. How many students is from her school? I can't hear you. I've given her 20,000. How many students are in this teacher's school? Wait. Now, because you are the second one, let me ask the third one so we see who is the loudest. How many students are with her? Because you have tried, let me give you 30,000. Are you happy? Are you happy? Huh? By the time I asked you to cheer, you didn't have the happiness. But don't worry. You will still be taken care of. Hello? Have I done well? No? Why? Because you have not gotten the same like others. Now can you cheer more? Okay, I will add you 10,000. Now keep quiet. Keep quiet. Hello? How are you? Now, to give you the gifts Governor Simba Arati has brought for you for the candidates. Only candidates. But now, when you go home, please make sure, tell your parents, Governor Simba Arati has said hi. Who has said hi? All candidates, you will get a geometric set. And for girls, you will get 2 packets for the sanitary pads. And all students, you will get a success card from Governor Simba letter. And for those students who are not candidates, the small ones, how many are you here? How many are you here? Are you many? Where? Who are not candidates? Show up your hand. The non-candidates. The ones who are not candidates. Governor Simba Arati has brought you soda na mukate. Now I want the candidates first. The grade 6. Grade 6. Grade 6.
We want candidates first. Second is yes. Form 4s we must give them. Form 4s mutapata. Form 4s. Acha. Watch it. Weka mstari vizuri ya. Class 8 wabwati. Mama hivi. 6. Aya, twende nao.
Margaret. Margaret the Edgar class 8.
Tigoro. John, yeah.
Come. Ase weekend ya kabiri niko turi ase ebunge ya Kitutu Chache North ye kutoka Imie County ya Kisii ase ward ya Monyerero ward ase mheshimiwa omo MCA okorokwanere enyorora kugamba. Today marks to the third constituency gesatwa chagete sabari iga yo gutana na first lady na kwane bana bariso kwa matemwabo mwako yigo 2023. We critical rero maiga yo gukora kurwa ase constituency bubas constituency critical rero ni gutwa chiri nande ase ensem iga ya Kitutu Chache North ero kwane kyago chigutara ase ensemo yiga ye wodi yiga kwane kenga the first lady gutara somo governor we county Kisii Muske Paul Simbarati gute kuganira success gutia ase aborokiwa ba grade 6 class ke gatono gatatu amuna form 4s abacho koromotemu abo ase umwako yiga na neno muno kiringekerene kyogotara na kwene kya kwana na success gutia asa aborokiwa bonsi no kwene kenga asa abayibudi bonsi bari batari kwenyana kugora ebinde biri cyo tumika asa motemo aneno muno biri tumiko muna banyaruka amo Geometrical sets na ase chinga chitari kwenyara wetra somo governor we county ya Kisii niga achire kwenekia eri utukuikia kwena na ochia ase abayibori bari batari kwenyara wetra asa abana babara ase school. The first lady niga nekire kutara ase county ya Kisii wekirabo niga ene constituency ya gatatu eyiyo achakire tukuri arero chinsa chabo niga maragwa ensanga ndialinga South Mugrango ase negatinga wena nire certificate wena success card wena nire na geometrical sets gochia ase abarikiwa bari bagotoka South Mugrango nona wewe wadi tukori goro na lero ni utungi ase constituency ya Bubasi ye kutoka ase county ya Kisii ase the first lady negati kwena na geometrical sets na Sanitary pads na success cards gochia ase abarikiwa tukori lero twachakire sabari ngima ase bunge yiga ya Kitutu Chache North ase semu yiga twachakira ase ward ya Monyerero ward eri kwenekyanga ngo chigutarire chiskuru chonsi na kwenekyanga ngo bari ebintu bibiri aga konyora rireira yo chokonya aboroki wabiga nyorange county ya Kisii ninge wate chigodi emerongene ni sano echichire Imie county ya Kisii ne chichonsi no chikwenekiwa gwetera asensemo iga ya first lady wetera somo governor we county ya Kisii ko chikubaganiria aboroki wabakira sika gatatu ekirasi kya gatano gatatu grade 6 na form 4s kuchukufanya success asoma koiga wetera soko kwa neni ngombati success card kocha ase aboroki wabonse bo mwako yiga ba 2023 Imie county ya Kisii awaso mugavana we county ya Kisii chikubaganiria amaya asoma koiga wetera success card mbata soko kwa ne ndecho kwa message kurwa asomo governor we county ya Kisii wotia asa aboroki wabonsi abagotoka Imie county ya Kisii. What I'm wishing you success in your exams. To all candidates, don't let anyone tell you can't do anything, because you have the ability to achieve what you want. Whatever what you put your mind to, you can do it. Good luck. I wish you the best in your exams. May your hard work, commitment, and dedication bring you success. His Excellency Governor Paul Simba Arati. That's what about is happening right now here. The far end, that side you can see the governor Asen Semaiga, Wetra Semaiga, and this is Entanda Primary School.
and all of the schools around in this area where what success card the Asen Semega. The far end, this is Entanda Coding Primary School, a year school Yavanyaruka. The water in this side we have the Entanda primary lakini mixed and what Entanda mixed the high school, a year Asen Semega. So we had around 3 schools around Iga Entanda as Ebunge Iga Chache North, as OMCA Akugamba, as a ward Iga ya Monyero ward. What about that one? You can see Asamoka, they have Sanitary towels, they have success cards, they have what you call geometrical sets from the governor of Kisii County. Above all of that, parents abaibori na abantu bande abana Kenya Romosi ngo bekanire ase ensemo eiga ase ekiwango ekiga. We are doing it all about this one to make sure asari again retukura ase ensemo eiga na anemo no kwenekea ko itara sumu governor county ya Kisii Moske Paul Simba Arati asinge cho kwenekea kwana na certificates, success cards, geometrical sets and sanitary pads which are ase school. And this is Entanda Primary School. According to the Avarai Barbikana Sensemiga, Tokuganiria abana begons amaya samatemamo. Inte tokwira emo asemo mbaka ase asabaibori. The far end the kwanda masemo which ase abana Kenya Semiga wanako abawikirana asensemiga. You can see the far end asegetiketi amategeiga no abaibori banye ko bakoira gocha asensemiga amategeiga na anemono bari basa ku witness bari basa kurigereria asari agendere tukuru asensemiga. Nyorenga aiga TV ya Kisii Hot TV no tokonekenga togwikirania asari agendere tokonekana wetra as first lady we county ya Kisii Moske May Arati kwambuka uyo kwenekea kuika success card gocha ase abaibori gocha sabora ko bonse bo mwako iga 2023 abacho wisansa asamote mwabo ase umwaka oyiga. So the far end they are giving out the success card and or whatever. Asego asare ganda sensemeiga ira to kwa namona amwake mchichana asensemeiga na ado to kwa nakia asare agandrete gorwa ase ensemo eyiga. So the far na to sengocha nensemeiga kurwa asensemeiga giving out geometrical sets as candidates were giving success cards with the sanitary parts which are as abanyaruka na nenomono gochikubabera aiga sire engororo kigima ekaba kora matemu abo akirokende ubotachigotwara stress kwesa stasa kora samatemu because abaibori bande na chingo chine cyo tari kunyara wa ford asenga chokonyariya apart or ntobwate chindagera gocha ase abantu bari basinini bari ba PP1 PP2 bari ase nsemo batachikonyara gukora samatemu lakini wetra sumu government county ya Kisii, the first lady they have ensured nga wekana barekere omonto. And this far end, this is the high Entanda mixed high school asensemeiga abo baikerne asensemeiga and they can keringe gocha sumu government county ya Kisii Moske Paul Simba Arati kwaneke nga wekerare ase abaibori abana bonsi bari bakora matemu abo ase omwakoiga. And the only thing nigo akwa wadi abana iga kurwa chinsemo inyechinse and chigodi emerongene sano me county ya Kisii kuwekirania asari agendrete kwetera as first lady May Arati oyo kwaneke nga kwana nare kuganira abana amaya asensemiga ene tore wodi ya ene wodi ya kianda litukori ari to ikire asiri tukeriga nyuranga chukodi ja south mukira ko chonsi isano nemo ni otobaita to chikora wodi kutoka ase constituency bubasi to chikora lichikora lero. And this is the first wodi Monyero wodi ime ya Kitutu Chache North ime county ya Kisii na yabere ntangani gotarirwa amona first lady we county ya Kisii munoroche kwani kione chuche kora senseme yo nensema yemo yo kwenda na chi geometrical sets sanitary parts na success cards which as candidates wa omwakoiga kende kubatana namwe nto na butambe ncheri kwa kuri ko Dennis nodo kwanike konyora chibiche cyo asenchera ya bene ninga kuri ko Alfred Musa oyo ko yetera chibiche cyo wetera ase enchera ya bene tetubatera ne wika omwere muna butambe nenche wikaraboniga ego tuterete skuru yemo eye gutoka ase ward ige ya Monyero ward aso chukokora ali chukori rero wikali tuko ria ancho kende kubatana namwe nto katuko wikiria mwana ase enchera yobo ikirano.
Ameacha mtu wa mbele. Uko na moja wewe. India ngeni. Ngati Edgar la kwa sababu nilikuwa na Edgar la. Nani walimu wako wapi? Walimu. Yes, I know that. Madam amesemaje? Wanatoka nyumbani. Sasa leta watoto wetu wale waende hapa hivi. Wote. Wange waende kwenda. Sawa. Wapi vijana? Wewe kuja hapa. Kuja nitolee vijana hapa. Unataka utakosa. Ota mmoja. Waisi walijua. Ngoja kidogo. Aelera amesta. How many boys did you have? Yabaho tango gorimo. Pelito. Hata mke. Ambao alishaji. Aya ndaka moja chini, hata moja chini.